please not to offend you in any way. I know that you love me, that you guide me, and that you protect me. Therefore, I pray that you may help me to speak, to think, and to do the right thing, so that I may render all the necessary help and service to my friends, brothers and sisters. This is my prayer, hear my prayer, O God. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
7, hymn number 5. I repeat, page number 7, hymn number 5. I just keep trusting my Lord as I walk along. I just keep trusting my Lord, and He gives me a song. Through the storm clouds dark in the sky, oh what heavenly train! I just keep trusting my Lord, He will never fail. He's a faithful friend, He's a faithful friend, such a faithful friend, such a faithful friend. I can count on Him, I can count on Him to the very end, to the very end. I just keep trusting my Lord as I walk along. I just keep trusting my Lord, and He gives me a song. Through the storm clouds dark in the sky, oh what heavenly train! I just keep trusting my Lord, He will never fail.
Reading from the Holy Bible. Children, obey parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, that it may go well with you and that you may live long in the land. Fathers, do not provoke your children to anger, but bring them up in the discipline and instruction of the Lord. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and varied it. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In this well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Punctuality.
Thought for the day. Respect your elders and the world will respect you. I repeat my thought. Respect your elders and the world will respect you. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning to everyone present here. Today's news headlines. International news. Israel mass shooting, 1 dead, several injured in suspected terrorist attack in Beersheba. Kazakhstan forces up the legacy of Soviet weapons testing in a world on nuclear power. Russia strikes Ukraine with drones and missiles. National news. PM Modi unveils ₹30,000 crore MMR projects, lays foundation for Thane Metro Rail. That IAF's aerobatic team performed during the mega air show held at Marina Beach in 2024. Finance Minister Sitaraman discusses strengthening multilateral development banks with G20 expert group member Professor Nick Stern. West Bengal news. Protesting doctors begin hunger strike against Mamata government. Stitch in time save 9. West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose criticizes state government for rising rape cases. Doctors expelled from RG Kar over sexual misconduct and forceful collection of money. Local news. A 10-year-old boy named Manjeet Singh was kidnapped and murdered by his own sister and her boyfriend. Police has arrested the accused. Sports news. Hardik Pandya and Nitish Kumar Reddy monitoring India easy win against Bangladesh. India beat Pakistan by 6 wickets in Women's T20 World Cup. Premier League. Manchester United fire another blank in Aston Villa stalemate. Weather news. Southwest monsoon retreat continues heavily in West Bengal ahead of Durga Puja. IMD warns of rising temperatures as October heat looms over Mumbai. Today's minimum temperature in Kharagpur is recorded at 25 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature is expected to go as high as 32 degrees Celsius. Throughout the day, the temperature is likely to hover around 28 degrees Celsius. Now, the students of class 9 are going to present a street act on the topic Respect Your Elders.
चले जाते हैं। अब कुछ तो बोलो 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 बोलो। क्या बोले? जिन्हें क से कबूतर बोलने सिखाया आज वही बोलकर चल जाते हैं का से कौन है तू। तो लो सुन लो।
पापा, मैं सोच रहा था कि इस मकान को तोड़वाकर 4 मंजिला इमारत खड़ी कर देंगे। वैसे ही हमारी फैमिली बहुत बड़ी है और ये घर बहुत छोटा।
बेटा, पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे?
अरे पैसों का क्या है पापा, 4 मंजिलें रहेंगे, 1 मंजिल मेरी, बाकी 3 मंजिल भाई बहनों में बांट देंगे।
बेटी, मैं कहाँ रहूँगा? पापा, आपको रहने के लिए कितनी ही जगह चाहिए? आप ऐसे ही पार्टी में खाट बिछाकर सो जाना।
पापा, आपके पास जितने भी पैसे हैं वो आप चारों भाई बहनों में बांट देना।
घर की कमाई देते हैं। उनका मकान जिसने खून पसीनों से बनाया, ईंट ईंट जोड़कर खड़ा किया, उसका क्या? बदले में उन्हें क्या मिलता है? अपमान, तिरस्कार।
हेलो, हाँ पापा, कैसे आप?
बेटा सुन तो, बेटा मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है बेटा। बेटा
हाँ,
कल शाम
मैं
को यहाँ पे
इंडोनेशिया
शर्मा
में
जी के
यहाँ
यहाँ
बहुत
कोई
मजा
चोरी
आया।
हो गई बेटा।
हाँ, हाँ।
बेटा मुझे बहुत डर लग
हाँ,
रहा है बेटा,
ठीक
तू
है,
यहाँ आ
हाँ।
जा बेटा। बेटा सुन तो।
पापा, मैं इंडोनेशिया में बाली एक्सप्लोर कर रहा हूँ, आप मुझे परेशान मत कीजिए।
तू वहाँ इंडोनेशिया एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है, लेकिन रिश्ते की कमी को कब एक्सप्लोर करेगा तू?
अब हम बड़े हो गए हैं और वो बोझ हम दौड़ने लगे, वो ठहरने, हाँफने लगे, खांसने लगे। उनकी खांसी अब हमें चुभती है, उनका तड़कना हमें गुस्सा दिलाता है, सलाह बकवास लगती है।
बुजुर्ग घर की ताकत होते हैं। ये किस्से कहानियाँ हमारे लिए धरोहर है। उनकी मौजूदगी से हमारे मायने हैं। वो है तो हम हैं, हमसे वो नहीं। जिन्होंने हमें जिंदगी दी, वो हमारे प्यार के दो लफ्जों के लिए मोहताज क्यों हो जाते हैं? सामने आ जाना, ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई है तेरी माँ। आजा सामने, मुझे तेरी फिक्र भूल जा गई। देख मेरी नजर आ जाना, आजा सामने, मुझे तेरी फिक्र भूल जा गई। देख मेरी नजर आ जाना।
Thank you.
Of India, remember, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
National Anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब
Food charity. Let us wish our sister and teacher, good morning, sister and teacher, and the medical. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind.